Hi, Jasio here, and today we're going to do a cool little polymer demo and a neat little trick that you can scare your friends with. So this is just a Ziploc bag, just a normal sandwich baggie filled with water, just normal water from my sink, and it looks pretty, delicate, right? I'm going to try stabbing this pencil through, and then let's see what happens. What do you think is going to happen? And here, let's do another one for fun. So you probably expected this bag to just burst and pop like a balloon would, right? But what's happening here is that this bag, it's plastic, it's made of a polymer called low density polyethylene. You might have seen when you've been recycling bottles or things, you might notice a small little number 4 on plastics that you recycle. That means it's made of the same thing as this low density polyethylene. And you can think of polymers, I'm going to put this little bag away for now, as long strings of molecules, kind of like this. You start off with one unit, this is our ethylene molecule, and then it binds with a bunch of other ones and forms this long squiggly chain. So these chains are kind of dispersed randomly throughout a plastic. They're not in hard structures, they're not rigid, they're kind of just like flown around, kind of loose, all like this. You can think of polymers like just a plate of spaghetti that somebody threw on the ground. So whenever I poked a pencil through, it was easy for the pencil to just slide right between all these strands and slip through. And these polymers, since they're flexible, kind of just wrap around and form a temporary seal around the plastic bag. And it's really important when you do this trick to use rounded pencils. Whoops, it's opening a little bit. Rounded pencils. So these are round, they're not like those kinds of number 2 pencils with the sharp edges around them. It makes it easier for the flexible chains to wrap around.